Hello, I'm Victor Edet. You might know that I'm a software engineer with a few years of experience, and I've been doing Laravel and PHP and things around that ecosystem for a few years now, like I said earlier on, and I've decided to try out C#. Now the thing with C# is I have absolutely no idea what it is and what it's about, and so practically I'm going to be learning as we go. Definitely. What I want to see just how much of a scary jump this is going to be. The first challenge I think we're going to have is setting up a development environment for C#. Since I use Manjaro, which is an Arch Linux distribution, and C# is developed and maintained by Microsoft, this should be interesting. Now in this video I'm going to be setting up my machine for C# development, and in the next videos we'll actually start learning C# together. Hopefully we can do this and end up building something new with this tool. I have no idea how this will go. First of all, we're going to update our OS with the following command. We'll wait for that to sort itself out, and then we'll install the following dependencies in this order. Well, I tried it earlier on and I ran into a couple of errors, but after doing it in this order it sort of worked for me, so I guess that's it. Then we're going to run .net space -- version. Now this should print the appropriate version on your terminal. If it doesn't, then there's a problem somewhere. Now let's create a new .net project. I went over to Microsoft's website and poodled around the documentation for a bit, and I found a couple of terminal commands to run what I need to run, and because I'm very familiar with Linux, I pretty much went there looking for the commands. Now I hear that over in Visual Studio World they basically can do this with clicks of buttons pretty quickly, but it's not really my thing, seeing that I'm a Linux person per se. So yeah, this is what comes out. I'd say, looking at this folder structure, it's very remotely familiar. I mean, I've done CodeIgnite, I've done Laravel, and so I'm pretty conversant with the MVC pattern of development, and seeing that PHP and C# are both object-oriented programming languages, it's I'm beginning to see a lot of resemblances, especially between these CS HTML files and Laravel php.blade. Laravel's .blade.php templating engine too. So I think this is going to be so much more interesting, and I think it might end up being easier than I have it in my mind. But first, let's get a grasp of C# as a language, and then we can knock ourselves out with the rest of the things to go. Please don't forget to like and comment, or leave a comment, or that you know the whole story. Just do those things. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.